People do ask about the different warranty levels of water heaters from time to time. You get various levels. Your standard is going to be a 6-year warranty. There are water heaters that have 8-year warranties on them, 12-year warranties that will have an automatic shutoff valve on them. There's even some water heaters, at least for electric tank style, that have lifetime warranties. It's the Rheem Marathon. The way that they're able to offer a longer warranty is they have more of what's called an anode rod inside of them. Every single water heater has a sacrificial anode rod, and the reason it's called sacrificial is because your water attacks it before it will attack the tank, and it actually degrades over time, and that may be totally gone within 6 or 7 years. If what you're looking for in a water heater is just pure longevity, the anode rod is where you start. Every 4 years, have a plumber call us, come out, and we can replace that anode rod. They even have powered anode rods that will resist the water attacking it just enough to where they don't go away. They're not sacrificial. So there's just a whole lot of options, and the best way to kind of muddle through it all, ask a plumber. Water heaters do need periodic maintenance. The main thing that you're going to be doing, whether it's an electric water heater, gas water heater, a tankless water heater, but you're going to be flushing that water heater. There is some maintenance to having a water heater, whether it's a gas or an electric or a tankless, and you really want to start doing that the year after you get a new one. If you wait 4 or 5 years, it's a lot less effective. Tankless water heaters, they also need to be flushed, and they have to have water pumped through the unit. Just super hard deposits need to be basically melted and flushed out of it. So you have to do that every year. Now, of course, if you have a water softener, that helps a lot. Instead of flushing every single year on a tankless, you can flush every 3 years and be okay because you have a water softener pre-treating your water. It's also really good, like I was talking about the anode rods, those aren't an every year type of thing, but every 3 or 4 years, it's good to get that anode rod changed out. Your plumber can assess your water heater. It's one of the things we do when we're maintaining your water heaters. We're also just looking at everything in the house because you just don't look that often.